So the big picture for this lesson is graphing quadratic functions on a calculator. Now this lesson goes into some great detail, and I would definitely encourage you read through everything and make sure you understand it all. I'm just going to do a couple little parts here, so this is not a substitute for all of the content in the lesson. Go to y equals. I have a quadratic function already entered in there, and it's negative 6x squared plus 18x plus 12. When you're making the leading term negative on a calculator, you have to use the little minus, which is down by the decimal. At least that's true for the TI-84 type calculators. So now let's look at what the graph looks like. I'll press graph. And you can see it kind of looks like we have something going up and down. I need to adjust this window because I know x squared should be a parabola, but this doesn't look like a parabola yet. We're missing the vertex and the top part. So I'm going to go to Window, and I want to increase the y max so we can see further up what's going on with the y. I'm just going to put 30, just as a guess. Okay, that looks pretty good. You could fine-tune this a little bit, maybe make the x scale a little wider, but this will work for what we're doing here. Now I want to show you how to find the maximum or the vertex. You go to Second, and then Calc, which is F4, and we're calculating a maximum in this case, so I'm going to choose 4. And the calculator does the maximum over an interval. You need to say what the interval is. So the left bound is left of the vertex, so I'm going to press Enter where I'm to the left, move over to the right of the vertex, press Enter, guess over that interval, yes, one more time, Enter, and the maximum is 1.5, 25.5. So that's the vertex. What if I want to find the x-intercept down here? I can do Second Calc, and then I can do 0. So I'm going to hit the right arrow to move closer. And this is the same type of deal. You're going to do the x-intercept, or 0, over an interval. So first is the left bound. I'm to the left, Enter, and then I hit the right arrow to move to the right. It looks like it's moving more down, but this is all based on x values, so you need to consider left versus right. Now I'm down below, and to the right of it, Enter, Enter one more time, and there's the coordinate for the x-intercept. It looks like 3.5615528 is the coordinate. And you can just round this to a couple decimal places for most purposes. So that's the big picture for this lesson.